progression is from the song called Hale Dil Acoustic version. To play this progression we have A minor chord. So holding this we play this strings on the right hand. So we go 5, 4, then we go 1, 2, then we pluck 3. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. So in that rhythm you get it. Just hold A minor. Then we go to C add 9 chord. So here, so we play more strings here. We go 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. So once again from A minor. Sorry. Okay. Then we go to G. So with G we are just plucking with hybrid picking. So I'm playing 6th string and 3rd and 2nd string. So if you don't want to do hybrid plucking, you can just strum the G chord. So I'm doing the 6th string, 3rd string and 2nd string holding G chord. So okay, next we go to D chord. So for this we are plucking, so I'm again still using hybrid picking. So now I pluck 4 and 2 and 1 together. So holding D chord you pluck 4th string, 2nd string and 1st string. So then we add the little finger and just pluck 2nd and 1st string. So then we have, so we pluck again 2 and 1 together, but we lift our little finger and hammer on the 3rd fret. So you got to hammer on 3rd fret and pull it. So then we pluck 3 and 2. So or else you can just strum also. So you can do that, or else you can pluck with hybrid picking. So from first part. Next we go A minor again. So this time we go. So we go 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Then we go C add 9, remains the same. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. So again. This time we go F major 7. So second ending is F major 7. We play 4, 3, 2. So you can, so you got to get this pluck 3 times. Okay, I'm cutting the 2nd stroke. Yeah, you got to release the pressure from the F major 7 chord. Then you pluck 3, 4, 3. So sorry. The second part. So next again we start with A minor. Same thing. Then this time we just strum G chord. So once again. Then we strum so down on G chord. So from A minor. Sorry. Then we go to D major. So we got to pluck. So down, up, down. So on the 3rd stroke we got to add that pinky finger on the 3rd fret of 1st string. So we strum and we pluck that 3rd fret, hammer on and pull off. So then we play 3rd and 2nd string. So this last section what we do is we have A minor 5, then we pluck 2 and 3 with palm muted. So we don't want open, we want this sound. Then we have, so with mute touching to this fifth string. The palm is touching to the fifth string. So we play open on the fifth string, second fret, then third fret. So it's like going to the C add 9 chord. Then we have 3 and 2 together. Then we have F major 7. So we are playing. So the rhythm on the right hand is. So we are playing only like 4, 3, 2. We don't need to hit all the strings, only the 4, 3, 2. So it is like down, up, down, up, down. So this whole section.